Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel, and we are going to be doing some Bulerías, so get your guitars tuned up. My name is Chris. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you've been tuning into my channel for any length of time, you will see that we are in a different space, and it is because we are going to be accompanying flamenco dancing, getting a little bit of experience and understanding of what it is like to accompany flamenco dance. So I'm going to be inviting my wife on to do some flamenco dancing. Super exciting. So make sure you get your guitars ready. This is going to be based off of a series of lessons that I've already done. If you have not done the Bulerías lessons on YouTube, you'll find them. I will put a link up here somewhere or definitely in the description. Make sure to get that material first. You can feel free to watch this if you'd like, but in order to play along and be able to accompany, you're going to need that to know that material, okay? So you would also need to know a little bit about what Bulerías is. If you're brand new to flamenco guitar, and this is I'm throwing already a lot of words out at you maybe that you don't understand. So anyway, hopefully you will, by following the other lessons, you'll be ready to do this, okay? I am going to pretty much stick with what I call the Flamenco A chord, okay? It's a 5-string chord. It's an A major chord with the 3rd fret of the 3rd string added on. So that's an added flat 9, okay? So it's a 5-string chord. This is all done in the other lessons, but just recognize that that's pretty much where we're going to be living. I might do some other stuff. It's unintentional, but sometimes I just get carried away accompanying the dancing, okay? So I've been talking to everybody, to you maybe, about using a metronome and being able to stay in rhythm, the importance of rhythm. Okay, so this lesson will hopefully really illustrate why you need to be using a metronome and being able to understand about keeping in what is called compás. Keeping in this particular way of using compás, we're going to use it as keeping in rhythm, in time, okay? All right, if I don't think I've mentioned it, I'm so excited. I don't think I've mentioned it, so make sure to like and subscribe, and so that way you can find other videos of this sort. And if you like this, make sure to let me know in the comments, and we can do more of this stuff. Let me know what questions you have. And now we're going to kind of get started. Let me introduce my beautiful bride to you. My wife is Lena Jácome. Here she comes out on there we go, out on the dance floor. And now you see that we have a dance floor here set up. I'm going to be far away, okay? I am not a high-tech individual. I am low-tech. So if I was high-tech, you'd get multiple camera angles and get a close-up. So we're not doing that because I don't have that capability, okay? So just trust me that I'm pretty much using this chord. And really for you as the student today, you are going to be using your eyes and ears to hear how I'm accompanying the rhythm. I might stop and start, and I'll talk to you a little bit about what that feel is, and then you refer to the other lessons, okay? We're gonna generate questions, maybe some back and forth, and I'll do follow-ups from here, but I'm just gonna throw this out here and see what happens with everybody, see how confusing I can make it for you. So here we go. I'm gonna go sit over here. So the first thing that we're gonna do is threes, okay? Threes. So the compás of Bulerías is in 12, so I'm going to be doing 4 sets of 3, okay? Again, this is all in another lesson. Look below, get those lessons, get that material, okay? So I'm going to have Lena start, okay? So she's going to start, and I'm going to start accompanying her, okay? So 6, 9, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 6, 9. So now I'm going to go 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 6, 9. Now in one of the videos I have that you can we can add 8 notes still in 3, so. remate, and she did that in twos. So that was a perfect segue to talk about. There's another way to divide 12s. You can put it in twos. And so she broke that back half of a 12-beat rhythm, 6, 8, 10, into twos, okay? So that's what happened there. And we could keep it in twos. So that's what we're going to do now. This is another lesson, a whole guitar lesson where you learn the techniques on how to do that. Look below. I have a whole series on this, okay? So make sure to follow that, but now you get to see it applied, okay? So maybe we're in three. She does that little remate, recogida kind of thing, and then we're going to go in twos. So go ahead. And now I'm going to count 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Thank you, my love. All right, so you saw what she did, and you saw that I changed. I just went, and I don't even know that I did a rajeo. I don't know that I did a close like that. But regardless, I kept the intent, and I saw that she did something different. And I want you to watch what she does, like go back and watch that and see that there was an obvious physical movement, and the way she accentuated the rhythm, that I knew that we're going to go back into 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. And that just takes a lot of time, okay? It takes a lot of time to just understand that. But it would be really good, if this stuff interests you, that you just watch that over and over and see that change in intensity. Can you do that again, babe? Now, like something like that? Like, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. All right. What do you say? Can we get a big applause for Lena? Ole, gracias. Thank you. So the end there, we were just kind of making things happen. I didn't know what she was going to do. I just followed those different ways of subdividing a 12-beat Bulerías rhythm. So this is where it gets really fun, and now hopefully you can see the value of a metronome and the value of knowing the rhythm so well that I don't have to think about what my fret hand is doing, the chords that I'm doing. All of my attention is placed towards getting the feel and the proper accompaniment feel for what the flamenco dancer is doing. So I try to keep it really basic. Some additions that I did was, first of all, I would add and subtract that flat 9. Okay. I would also add and subtract a sus4. So I would keep that flat 9 and still have that. I would add the pinky on the second string. Okay. And then sometimes I would add this B flat. Okay. So, and I might have done a couple other things, but I know I did those additions. So, but I would not overly concern yourself with those. I would really just study those different feels, so that way you can be able to fluently transition between them. And you have to be able to do that well enough on your own that you can follow somebody else and they're actually leading. They're not following, she wasn't following me, I was following her. Okay, so you have to be fluent enough in it that you feel comfortable to be able to do that. So use those metronomes, get those feels, spend a lot of time in 3s and 2s and in the regular Compás cycle and going between all of them. If this is of interest, if accompanying flamenco dance is of interest, this is paramount of importance. All right, so thanks again for tuning in. I want to mention that this video, along with all my other videos, are brought to you by my Patreon subscribers. So feel free to join us over there. There's lots of awesome stuff over there. If you can't right now, you can join like free over there, but you can also like and subscribe here on this channel. This helps me a ton. And then number one, first and foremost, I want to make sure that you know that you can leave questions and comments below, and I'm going to do my best to reply and get back to you and address those questions and comments for you in upcoming videos. Or you can always email me. I have a website and all that stuff. That information is down below. Thanks so much. I don't even know if I said my name. My name is Chris, and I appreciate you. I hope you have a great time with this material. And again, let me know if you have any questions at all. Take care. Bye-bye.